Go to Notion 2 Charts. Click on the Get Started Free button and sign in with your Gmail account. Link the 30 Days Challenge template. In the free mode, you can only create one chart. Click on the Create Chart button. Select the type of chart you want to create and select the Habit Tracker database. Now select Date on X-axis and Progress on Y-axis. You can customize the chart from left side panel. Once all the settings are done, click on the Get Embed link and copy the link. Now go to the Notion template and paste the link below Progress section. To see the progress daily, please refresh the chart. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate the Notion template. Let's begin the journey.